Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some pony beads, some kind of hook, and this will be optional too, but I'll tell you about that a little later. I have about 3 feet of string I'm going to start with, and you're also going to need some type of ring. Now these came from the ring toss game, but you could also use like little kid bracelets. And they also make craft rings in different sizes that you could use. So it's about this size, but they do make different sizes. So you could still use smaller or larger rings. You would just need to adjust your bead count. Okay, so what you're going to do is I have my 2 ends here. You're going to fold your string in half. And we're going to put 1 ring on. And pull it down to the middle. And make sure your strings are still even, so you're holding both ends with this hand and then making this come to the middle. And the pattern for this, I'm going to do rainbow. So on both sides, we'll do one side first. We're going to add 6 beads. Okay, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and pink. Go ahead and just let those fall. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, we're going to keep these ends together and go ahead and pull these beads down. Okay, we're going to take both strings and put them together, and we're going to use 5 clear. So both ends will go through like that. Okay, and go ahead and hold on to these ends. Okay, this is what it should look like. Now this time, we're going to open the strings up, and we're going to put 1 string on one side and 1 on the other. I might adjust this. Okay, now we're going to take both of our ends and we're going to add the rainbow colored beads on. Purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and pink. Go ahead and just let those fall down there. And then we're going to do this other side. Same thing. Now, I hold both my strings. It might be easier for you to set one down at a time as you're working. I just thought of that. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Now we need to add another ring. Okay, so I have one side laying down. I'm going to lay my ring there, and you're going to pick up the string and bring it together. And now we need to add the 5 clear beads like we did before. So you're making a circle and then you're adding both of the rings in the middle. Okay, we're going to add the 5 clear. Okay, we're going to open the string, and then one end of the string is going to go underneath. Now we're back to the rainbow pattern. Both sides you're going to add the rainbow beads. Okay, I'm grabbing both of my ends and I'm letting those beads fall. Okay. Now go ahead and let this bottom one lay here, and then you're going to grab a ring and place it down. And we're going to grab the string and pull it up and bring it with this one. And then we're going to add 5 clear. Okay, this is what it looks like so far. Okay, now we're gonna take this string and pull it to the bottom. And then we're back to adding our rainbow. Whoopsie. Okay, we're going to bring the ends together and we're going to add 5 clear. Oh, I forgot to mention, so if you get a different size ring, I don't know the exact size these are, they're just ring toss rings, but you would add less clear beads if they were smaller, or more if the ring was larger. Okay, we're gonna open. Oh no, guys. I totally spaced. We need to add this ring on. But no no problem. I'll show you how to fix that just in case you do what I just did. So you can leave these beads on and we'll just pull this string out of the clear beads. Go ahead and add your ring. And then you're going to take your string and go back through the clear. I was too busy talking. Oh, now twist it up. There we go. We got it on now. Okay, now we can open up the string. So no worries if you forget a ring. Now you know how to fix it. Okay, I have all of these. I'm going to go ahead and put on off camera and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, once you're at the end here, you're going to go ahead and finish the pattern out with the clear and the last rainbow loop. And we're going to take both of these ends and go ahead and tie it. Oh, and I also forgot to mention that mine was a little loose, so I had to go back and kind of tighten it up. And I also made a last minute decision as well. I thought if you wanted to, we could have attached this at the very beginning here in between these beads. But I wanted a little extra length on mine, so I'm going to add a key ring. So this is one end here, and I'm going to go through both of the purple beads. And I'm going to add one of my, I don't even know what these are called. Do you know what these are called? Keychain hook? Drawing a blank here. Okay, so I went through the two purple and this loop here. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Go through two pink. Hey man, I might show some video of this or some pictures to give you some ideas of the different ways you can wear it at the end. But here, I'm going to try to... Okay, so we have both of the ends here. But this is what it looks like. It kind of reminds me of like old school candy from back in the day, like the late 90s and 2000s, just because it's like a toy and chunky and big, and you can wear it on your pants. And I haven't decided if I want to keep this for myself or gift it or sell it. I don't know. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I might add some video or pictures, so stay tuned. Okay guys, this is what it looks like on the pants here, and I will have to say, if you're OCD, this might drive you crazy, but I think it's fun. You can kind of play with these rings and adjust them. You can do like a zigzag. You can definitely keep yourself busy with this one, but yeah, just to let you know, if you're OCD, this might drive you nuts, but I like it. I think it's fun. So that's one way you can wear it. Okay, here's another way, as a necklace, which is super fun. Okay, and this is what it looks like as a belt. Let me know which way you guys would wear yours. Have a good day, guys.